Let us look at proposition number 109 of book 10 of Euclid's Elements. The proposition says, if a rational area is subtracted from a medial area, then there arise two other irrational straight lines, either a first epitome of a medial straight line or a straight line which produces with a rational area a medial whole. So let's see how we can prove that. Let BC be a medial area. Let a rational area BD be subtracted from BC. Then what the proposition is saying is that the side of the area BD, that means the side of a square whose area is equal to BD, is going to be either a first epitome of a medial straight line or a straight line which produces with a rational area a medial whole. Okay, let's proceed. Set out a rational straight line FG. Apply to FG a parallelogram GH equal to BC. Subtract GK equal to BD from GH. Now, GH is medial and applied to a rational straight line FG. So, which means FH is rational and incommensurable in length with FG. Why? Because GH is medial and it is applied to a rational straight line FG. GK is rational and applied to a rational straight line FG. So that means FK is rational and commensurable in length with FG. So FH is rational and incommensurable with FG. FK is rational and commensurable in length with FG. That means FH is incommensurable in length with FK. So FH and FK are rational straight lines commensurable in square only. So since FH and FK are rational straight lines commensurable in square only, we can say KH is an epitome and FK is its NX. Now, FH square, the square on FH is greater than square on FK by the square on a straight line. Now, that straight line will be commensurable or incommensurable in length with FH. So if it is commensurable and FK, remember, is commensurable with a rational straight line set out, that is FG, then KH is a second epitome. KH by FG, that is a rectangle contained by KH and FG, is equal to LH. So if we have a rectangle contained by a second epitome and a rational straight line, then the side of that rectangle, that is LH, is a first epitome of a medial straight line. This we have already seen in one of our previous propositions. And since LH equal to EC, the side of EC is a first epitome of a medial straight line. So that was the first case when it is commensurable. Now let's look at the second. If it is incommensurable and FK is commensurable with the rational straight line set out, that is FG, so then KH is a fifth epitome. Again, KH by FG is equal to LH, KH by FG, actually KH by KL, but KL is equal to FG, so we can say KH by FG is equal to LH. So again, if a rectangle is contained by a fifth epitome and a rational straight line, then the side of that rectangle, that is LH, is that which produces with a rational area a medial whole. Again, in one of our previous positions, we have proved that. And since LH equal to EC, the side of EC is also that which produces with a rational area a medial whole. So we have seen that if a rational area is subtracted from a medial area, then there arise two other irrational straight lines, either a first upper term of a medial straight line or that which produces with a rational area a medial pole. So that is proposition number 109 of book 10 of Euclid's Elements. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now. Bye.